This is a daily market comment by Mario Setikyriakos. I'm Christina Marujos, and thank you for joining us here at XM.com. A sense of euphoria swept through equity markets on Thursday after the U.S. president announced that he has secured a deal on infrastructure spending with a group of Republican and Democratic senators. The price tag will be around $1 trillion over 5 years, focusing on physical investments like roads and bridges. The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq hit new record highs on the news, as this deal is the sweet spot for stock markets. Although the spending is far less than what Democrats promised earlier, a skinnier package will help calm nerves around runaway inflation and the Fed slamming on the brakes early. On top of that, it doesn't include any new taxes on businesses. The catch is that this isn't a done deal. In fact, President Biden threatened to veto the bill unless it is accompanied by a separate package that will focus on human infrastructure. The excitement wasn't reflected in the FX space, though, with the dollar confined to tight ranges against most of its rivals. The Fed's charm offensive this week seems to have worked wonders in negating fears of early tightening, as the reserve currency only managed to gain further ground against the yen, which tends to suffer when markets are joyful. The only real mover lately has been sterling, which fell yesterday after the Bank of England hesitated to provide any signals about higher interest rates. Policymakers didn't want to undermine the recovery by hinting at premature tightening and wished to see actual progress in the economy before taking the next step. The economy is set to enjoy an impressive spell of growth according to the latest PMI surveys, and the long-term trajectory for sterling is still bright against low-yielding currencies like the yen, franc, and euro. Over in the commodity arena, gold prices have been trapped in a narrow range this week. On the bright side, the bleeding has stopped, but it's also difficult to argue for any sustained upside, as the endgame is the withdrawal of cheap money and perhaps a stronger dollar. Thank you for watching today's Daily Market Comment here at XM.com. Have a great weekend.